Welcome to Best Buying Report. The Best Mini Food Processor is probably one of the most indispensable kitchen gadgets you never knew you needed, transforming tedious chopping, mincing, and pureeing tasks into effortless culinary adventures, perfect for small batches and everyday meal prep, making healthy eating more accessible and enjoyable without cluttering your countertop with bulky appliances. Number 5. Fullstar Original Pro Chopper 2-in-1 Black. Discover TikTok's favorite veggie chopper, a top-rated kitchen gadget. It dices in just 30 seconds, saving you significant time over manual prep. This 5-cup, large-capacity helper is simple to set up and clean. Done prepping? Simply toss it on the top rack of your dishwasher for a no-scrub cleanup. This clever, convenient choice makes a perfect gift for any occasion. Perfect for healthy eating on a busy schedule, it features heavy-duty, rust-resistant 420 stainless steel blades that stay razor-sharp. Designed for grab-and-go daily use, its compact frame fits neatly in drawers or cabinets. Built for comfort and precision, this BPA-free essential features a soft-grip TPU handle and a non-skid rubber base for maximum stability. Its built-in catch tray prevents messes and keeps counters clean. Whether for Mother's Day or a seasoned pro, this gadget makes meal prep fast, safe, and fun. It effortlessly handles low-carb prep and family dinners, making it a thoughtful gift for anyone who wants to cook smarter, faster, and easier. What we like? This chopper is a TikTok favorite, known for its ability to dice ingredients in just 30 seconds. Its 5-cup capacity and dishwasher-safe design make meal prep and cleanup incredibly efficient. If you are looking for a super-fast dicing solution and hate scrubbing dishes, this is your perfect kitchen helper. What people say? No reviews were provided in the source JSON, so no points can be extracted. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to extract points. Number 4. PowerLix Handheld Milk Frother, a black. Love your morning coffee with rich froth and foam? This small, portable handheld frother delivers it quickly. It even comes with a stand for easy countertop storage. This mixer is battery-powered, freeing you from cords and outlets. Simply immerse it in warm milk, turn it on, and in just 15 to 20 seconds, you'll have perfect creamy froth for your latte. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel, it boasts a powerful 19,000 revolutions per minute motor. Its durable dual-spring whisk delivers double the frothing power of many others, all with a low-noise operation. Beautifully styled and lightweight, it features an ergonomic soft-touch handle for comfort. This versatile tool isn't just for hot milk, use it for milkshakes, cocktails, and both hot or cold liquids. We're confident you'll love it, which is why it comes with an after-service warranty and US-based customer support. Plus, enjoy a free bonus ebook to enhance your homemade drinks. What we like? This handheld frother delivers creamy froth in just 15 to 20 seconds for your favorite beverages. Its powerful 19,000 revolutions per minute motor and dual-spring whisk ensure professional results every time. If you love cafe-style lattes and want a portable, battery-operated tool for instant foam, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Number 3. Cuisinart Mini Prep Plus Food Processor DLC 2 ABC. This compact kitchen essential boasts an efficient 250-watt motor. Its patented reversible stainless steel blade makes quick work of chopping herbs, dicing vegetables, and grinding hard cheese. Featuring a 24-ounce work bowl and lightweight design, it offers convenient push-button controls. Its auto-reversing smart power blade provides 2 powerful processing options, chop and grind. Cleaning up is a breeze with this appliance. Its bowl and lid are dishwasher safe, and the motor base can be easily wiped clean with a damp cloth. Each unit comes with a 24-ounce work bowl, a versatile stainless steel blade, and a handy spatula. You'll also find an instruction and recipe book to get you started. Enjoy peace of mind with your purchase, as it is BPA-free for your safety. It also includes a limited 18-month warranty, ensuring its quality and durability. What we like? This mini food processor features a powerful 250-watt motor and a patented reversible blade for both chopping and grinding. Its smart power blade offers 2 distinct processing options, making it highly versatile for various ingredients. If you need a compact yet powerful tool for quickly chopping herbs or grinding hard cheese with easy cleanup, this model is ideal. What people say. Source JSON is empty, no reviews to extract. Please provide product reviews in the source JSON to get helpful points. Number 2. LINKChef Food Processor 6-Cup Mini Chopper. This multifunctional electric food processor handles everything from meat to veggies, nuts, sauces, and even ice. It's perfect for making burgers, salsa, smoothies, and baby food. Powered by a 250W high-performance motor, it chops, grinds, and purees in seconds. Its one-touch operation helps you cut meal prep time in half with fast, efficient results. All its parts are made of stainless steel and are BPA-free, ensuring the safety of your family's daily meals. Built-in safety features and durable construction provide reliable performance. Designed with intuitive 2-speed control, it gives you precise texture. Use low speed for coarse chopping and high speed for smooth blending. It's simple, fast, and beginner-friendly. Its 6-cup capacity is perfect for 1 to 3 people, saving counter space while delivering enough volume for daily cooking and meal prep. This stainless steel food chopper is resistant to scratches and corrosion. Its bowl and blades are dishwasher safe, saving time and effort after every use. You get the power unit, a stainless steel bowl, lid, blades, and more. Everything you need to get started right away. What we like? This all-in-one food processor handles everything from meat to baby food with its 250W motor and stainless steel blades. It offers intuitive 2-speed control, allowing you to achieve precise textures from coarse chop to smooth puree. If you are looking for a versatile, compact kitchen helper with precise speed control for daily meal prep, this is a fantastic option. What people say. Number 1. Ganiza Immersion Blender 5-in-1 Hand Blender. It features a 1000W pure copper motor and a 4-blade stainless steel assembly for smooth, precise results. Its durable motor construction ensures a lifespan up to 3 times longer, providing reliable performance for years. Customize your blending with its 16-speed settings, ideal for everything from purees to frothy drinks. For tough ingredients, the turbo mode provides an instant power boost. This versatile companion includes an 800ml beaker, whisk, frother, and 600ml chopper. You can effortlessly blend, whisk, froth, or chop, making meal prep quick and easy. Its detachable shaft, whisk, and frother are dishwasher safe or can be hand washed. The electronic components only need a simple wipe to keep them clean. With its sleek, ergonomic design, it makes an excellent gift for anyone who loves quality kitchen appliances. It's a stylish and practical addition, perfect for housewarmings or weddings. What we like? This immersion blender boasts a powerful 1000W motor and 16-speed settings, plus a turbo mode for tough ingredients. It's a true 5-in-1 kitchen companion, including a chopper, whisk, and frother for ultimate versatility. If you need a heavy-duty, multifunctional tool that can blend, whisk, chop, and froth with ease, this comprehensive set is perfect. What people say. No product reviews were provided in the source JSON. Therefore, no points could be extracted as per the instructions. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.